Welcome back to my channel, folks. Today we're going to be trying Joy's curly hair routine. I have been following Joy on TikTok for a really long time. Let me just say, because I will always give credit when credit is due, she is like the sole reason of why I started prioritizing my curly hair, because I was just known for having straight hair all the time. Like, I would straighten it every month, sometimes multiple times in a month. So when I came across Joy's video on TikTok, I was hooked. I was like, okay, this is my sign. Because I was thinking about prioritizing my curls for a while, but I didn't have that boost of confidence, and now I do. She posted her curly hair routine on her YouTube a couple months ago. I know that she posted a updated one on her TikTok, but I'm going based on the video she posted on her YouTube. I have, hold on, I have, wait, there's more, wait. I have all the products. So I'm excited. I just want to give a disclaimer that I have used all of these products before on their own. I've never used them all together in this way. So I have 3C curls. I have strands of 3B, but I'm going to just say I have 3C curls. I know Joy has like 3A, 3B curls. So I was really interested to see how this routine would look on my hair type. So the first thing she does is wash her hair. My hair is washed. She's trying to dry up on me. She uses the Fenty hair. They are moisture repair shampoo and conditioner. I've been using this for the past month and it's okay. I don't think it really moisturizes my hair. Like, my hair kind of feels a little drier than I would normally like. I don't know if I'd ever repurchase this again, but it is a decent shampoo and conditioner. Then I'm gonna just put a towel over my neck because the next step is to drench our hair with water. Okay, once your hair is soaked, also please excuse my neighbors. Does anyone else have super noisy neighbors? Anyway, after you've drenched your hair, I'm gonna just untangle it with a Y2 comb. Ugh, definitely have some knots in the back. Then she goes in with her leave-in conditioner. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk leave-in conditioner. I'm almost out of this. I actually really love this. It's not like my holy grail, but I keep finding myself reaching for this other than my other products, so it must be doing something, you know? And then she just kind of sprays it all over her hair, so I'm gonna do the same thing. And let me just say, this smells really, really good. I low-key want this set in a perfume bottle. Okay, and then this is the crucial part that Joy does. She sections her hair. She sections a little bit above her ear with the Fenty hair curl cream. This is the mini one. It's really good. Like, she's almost done. I love her. I got the mini one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it and I didn't feel like spending so much money on a product that I didn't know if it worked or not. But I actually really like it and I will purchase the big one. But she just grabs a little bit because you really don't need a lot. She just rakes it through. My hair just keeps drying, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I know that she uses the Denman brush. I do have a dupe of it that I got like $5 at CVS like 5 years ago, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. So generally, until I can find like a styling brush, a styling comb that I like, I literally just use a regular comb. It does the job, okay? It does what I need it to do, so don't judge me there. She'll work in smaller sections and then she'll go in with the, pretend this is a Denman brush, go up and out. And then kind of just shake that, and then boom, there you have it. Pretty simple. Here goes nothing. Her next section, basically you section everything but like this top part. This top section, she doesn't do a middle part, which is scary because my hair naturally just parts in the middle. So she takes a section back here, rakes the product in, goes in with the brush, brings it all back. I'll show you. Basically, she'll take a section here with a little bit of the curl cream and then pull it back. And then you just repeat. See, and then this is where my hair wants to naturally part, which is like frustrating. I'm honestly just gonna let it part that way because I don't feel like dealing with it. I have so many tiny little baby hairs growing. I have no idea how to style it and how to make it look good. So we're gonna just tuck her in and act like nothing was there. All right, this is basically how it's going to look with all the products in. She air dries her hair, which is technically what I do too, but because it's late at night and I'm filming this, I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer just to speed up the process. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot like the most important step that she does. Oh my gosh. She goes in with the Curl Talk sculpting gel. This is actually really good gel. She hypes this up and it's to be hyped up. She'll flip her head upside down and then use the palm method to apply the gels. My dog is sleeping. This is basically all the product in. It smells good, it feels good, I think it looks good. You can definitely see, you know, okay, this looks promising. Okay, my hair is about 75% dry. This is the point where she goes in and just breaks her gel cast. She uses the Ouai hair oil. As you could tell, I've used. This is the mini version. I still don't know if I want to repurchase this. Like, it's good and it does the job. And you're probably like, Pamela, okay, then what's the problem? You know when something's good but you feel like there's better out there? That's how I feel about this. Like, it's good, it does its job, but I feel like there's something better out there. I feel like that's the same thing I said about the shampoo and conditioner. Whatever. Anyways, she'll take 2 pumps of this and then just break the cast. Honestly, I don't really have a specific way of how I break my cast. I just kind of grab my hair and then just break the cast. I'm gonna tell you right now, this looks really freaking good. Wait, I'm kind of shook. Wait a minute, what just happened? Wait a minute. I know my hair isn't 100% dry, but like, Joy, they look juicy. This is so pretty. We can just end the video here. I don't know what else to say. This actually looks so good. Girl, and to think I was kind of doubting you and about to say like, oh my god, this is like too much product in my hair. Shut up, Pamela. When my hair was straight, I cut curtain bangs, so this is why this looks like that. Okay, let me not touch it too much because then it's just gonna frizz up. Well, there you have it. This is stunning. All I'm gonna say, I'm grateful for Joy's routine. I'm glad I decided to go through with this video because I was having mental breakdowns before I started filming. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. The results speak for itself. Okay, I'm gonna go stare at my curls in the mirror. I don't know. Alrighty, well, I can't wait till my hair keeps growing. We have been on a curly hair journey. I haven't straightened my hair since November, and I'm filming this March 29th. Also, when you take care of your hair, like genuinely use good products and take care of your scalp, because this is how my hair looked like in December. There is such a huge difference, and I cut my hair like 2 weeks ago because the ends were looking a little fried. I can actually say this is all healthy hair now. Oh, also, she talks about these 2 products and now I can't live without them. This makes me want to try other people's routines now. I am just so happy. The curls look amazing. If you have 3C curls, you see it right here. Joy's routine works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, please let me know what videos you want to see because I'm down to try new things. Okay, bye!